Hello everyone. So today we are going to finish class 9's fourth chapter, which is going to be climate, and it is of grade 9. So first thing, when we talk about climate, we can talk about four types of things. Can I get that in the comment section, children? Okay, almost. Some people are almost talking about it, but rest of them I can't hear answers. Yeah. So what is the topic that I was telling you guys, which is climate means first we'll get the hold of summer because summer is a weather, but still we'll understand climate ante amma summer acha okay summer like that. And winter. What are the four types of weather, children? Winter, autumn, and rainy. So these are the four things we are going to talk in this chapter, children. So if you have any doubt regarding this, please keep in the comment section. For all the YouTube watchers and Zoom watchers, please keep it in the comment, messaging box. Now we'll come to the introduction of this lesson. So the introduction of this lesson states the difference between weather and climate. So first we'll start off with the weather. It is a state of atmosphere at any point in time and space. It changes every moment. So they're telling for the weather that it can change every moment. It can change every moment. So it will change every moment, and it is like any point at any point in time in space means sky, in sky, in time, at any point any time it will change its state of atmosphere. It will change its state of atmosphere. As you can see, the main keywords for the weather, which are atmosphere, at any point, time and space, every moment. For example, the examples for the weather is cloudy, dry, windy, and weather. Like suddenly it will be so dry, and suddenly it will be so windy, and suddenly it will be so wet, like that. So when we come to the other part of means completely different of this, that is climate, it will refer to the large sum of total weather conditions and variations over a long area. So it is saying that it will tell directly, it will tell the like weather conditions means will it be rainy season, will it be summer, like that. It will directly tell us the like weather conditions. So it will tell us directly. The examples are monsoon, desert, cold climate. So so India has diverse climatic conditions. So they're telling that there are two important elements here, that are temperature and precipitation. So, and how to examine like how they vary from place to place, season to season, how to vary this, now we will learn. So temperature variation. So how temperatures can go up in some regions, temperature come down. So in Rajasthan desert, up to 50 Celsius in summer. Pahalagam, Jammu and Kashmir around 20 degrees in summer, because here we'll have snow. So that is the reason it will be cool. It will be cool. And but here it is a desert. So that is the reason it will be hot and hottest. The normal variations would be 40, around 40 for them, like every day. Okay. So when we come and move on to the next slide, we will understand the India has diverse climatic conditions like Dras, Jammu Kashmir, also as low minus 40 degrees in uh, minus 40 degrees in winter, because they don't have more summer, they will have more winter, they'll have, because they have ice, glaciers and all those stuff. That is the reason they have, like cool weather over there. So that is the reason they'll have less Celsius degrees. Tiruvananthapuram around 20 degrees in winter, Thar Desert 50 in the day and 15 in the night. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Kerala, minimal temperature difference between day and night. So let us talk about the precipitation variations is going to be our next concept, children. Snowfall in the upper parts of Himalayas, for rainfall in the rest of the countries. So when it's snowfall in the Himalayas, it will be rainfall in the rest of the countries. Annual precipitation over 400 centimeters in Meghalaya, less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. As I told you, children, Ladakh is where Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, it will be like near. Okay, this, for example, this is going to be our map. Sorry, here is Ladakh and this is Jammu Kashmir. So rainy season, it lasts from June to October, June to September, for most of the parts, but October to November in for the Tamil Nadu coast. Coastal areas, less contraction in temperature and Srinagar compare into the so that is what they are trying to tell us in this slide. So next up is climatic conditions. Climate of a place is influenced by various factors like latitude and altitude. So, due to curvature of the Earth, most solar energy received varies according to latitude. So, what are they trying to tell? What is attitude and latitude? This is attitude and this is latitude. So, this because of this latitude, the variation of the climatic controls will be happening. Because of this altitude, higher altitudes have less density. Because of those less densities, it will lead to lower of temperatures. So latitude and longitude, did you understand the difference? Like that, we have more two types, children: pressure and wind system, distance from the sea. So in this pressure and wind system, the rainfall pattern will influence the temperature, and from the distance of the sea, the locations closer to the sea intend to experience more moderatory climates due to the moderation. So they are telling that the distance from the sea, which are closer to the ocean, will affect, moderate climates. Okay, that is what they're trying to tell in the next slide. We have more to it since uh, ocean currents means it will play a main role in shaping the climate, children. So when they are combined with onshore winds, it will warm the ocean currents, which leads to milder temperature, and cold currents can result in cooler temperature climates. So relief features, let us understand this final one. The presence of relief features such as mountains can impact local climates. Okay, high mountains will act as barriers to winds, forcing them to rise and cool, which can lead to increased precipitation on the windward side. In contraction, leeward side sheltered from prevailing winds tended to be drier. So that is what relief feature is telling us. So let us understand the factors. Okay, let us understand the factors which are affecting the India's climate. The first one, as we already know, children, I'll see India is situated in latitudes like 8 degrees north, 37 degrees north, south. If you haven't seen the video of India's size and location, I suggest you to go. It's just 10 minutes, you can get hold of it. So India is divided by equal parts. So children, everything of this is in the, if you just understand that one video, India size and location, you can, children, you can get this chapter easily. I suggest you to go in there. So altitude means we don't have that in our chapter, so that is why I'm explaining you this. India has mountains to the north with an average height of 600 kilometers. High, Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering into the subcontinent. It is because of these mountains that subcontinents experience milder winds. Okay, children, because of these Himalayas, they won't let the cold winds from Central Asia come into our continent, and because of this, Central Asia will experience wind. So the next one is factors that are okay. This one is also pressure and wind, student, means as much as a pressure comes. So because of India's climate, it is influenced by these pressure and winds. As the cycle of the pressure, moves on, when the cycle of pressure is in the upper air circulation, children, these also have children, types. These also have types. So in these types also we have two types: upper air circulation and chronic disturbances. So in India, monsoon will originate from high pressure area north of Himalayas to south. So what are they trying to tell? Means in these pressure and winds, we have two types, children, as I told you. This one point is important. So this I have already telling you. I don't know why they're giving. So this is in your textbook, children, which is factors affecting India's climate. This season, four main seasons, children: cold, hot, advancing, retreating. Retreating means leaving. Retreating means leaving. Advancing means ongoing, starting. It is going to advance, means it is starting to advance. It is starting to flow fully. June to September, October to November, March to May, December to February. So let us know about the cold one. So it is up to in that one it is up to 24 to 25 and 10 to 15. Main points are these, which I'm telling you. Which are in this one cold winter we have rabi crops, which is example like Mahavat, and then this one, children, these are important. These one 38 degrees, 24 degrees, 45 degrees. And in this, we can see Kala Bakshi in the West Bengal. And advancing monsoon, advancing monsoon, I'll tell you, wait. Yeah. 30 kilometers per hour, 25 centimeters. Are you noting this down, children? Are you noting this down? Yeah. I'll show you. Heavy rains in Himalayas catchment areas are a result of the shift in monsoon through. Uh, yeah, this one, children. See, I want you guys to simply take these as notes, children. I'm not explaining the slide because I know the important points, right? In these slides also, I don't want to waste your time. You can simply listen to other videos of our channel, because you can finish another chapter if I told you the correct one. So in this you can write November to October, that one, and latter part of October. I'll tell you the last one. Yeah, this one. Coast Coromandel Coast receives a significant portion of its rainfall from depressions and cyclones, which play a crucial role in shaping the world's, that one, distribution of rainfall, children. 400 kilometers, and that's it in this slide. Low rainfall in Jammu and Kashmir. So monsoon as a unifying bond, this would be a big, torture, children. So you'll think it's so much. It is not so much, children. See, peninsular plateau is surrounded by three sides on the sea. So it enjoys moderate temperatures. So that is why monsoon is known as unifying bond. See, children, two types. Himalayas will act as barriers against cold wind from India, and it will protect our India temperatures. And that next one is peninsular plateau. It is surrounded by many three seeds, so that is the reason it will enjoy moderate temperature. So so that is what it is in these two slides. And thank you so much. Leave a like, share and subscribe, children. So I hope you are also listening to our other videos. This is our little chapter 4 of grade 9th. So you have to focus and all those stuff. Okay, children, bye.